Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get into today's tapping, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of the new subscribers. I woke up to like a bunch of new subscribers and I wasn't sure what was happening, but turns out one of my Joe Dispenza videos was like popping off. So thank you to everybody who likes, who comments, everyone who is subscribes. If you haven't already, do it right now. But thank you so much because I love talking about manifesting and spirituality. I love doing this work and I love sharing this work. I love tapping. So the more that you guys like and comment and subscribe, the more that we can grow this platform and community. So definitely share this video or any video that you think would benefit your friends or family. It really means a lot to me. Okay, so today we are going to do a tapping on releasing codependency. Why was that a tongue twister? But I hope that this tapping would help a lot of you that struggle with enforcing boundaries, struggle with trusting to be with yourself, right? Because I think under a lot of that codependent patterns and behaviors is really just a fear of abandonment and fear of rejection, feeling like I don't trust to be alone with myself. That's why I always need to sort of mesh with other people. And that's also where the lack of boundaries come from, you know, like you just feel like you always have to depend on other people to survive. And of course, that is very much a normal human need. We are very social beings. But if you're in a relationship, codependency can express itself as wanting to control the other person, you know, not feeling safe with giving the other person space. And I used to be like that in my previous relationship, so I completely understand it. This is going to be more of a general tapping because, of course, when it comes to these videos, I cannot go deep with you. If you want to go deeper, all of my courses are linked down below. You could also work with me one-on-one. We could find out what's holding you back and what you need to release and what beliefs you want to program in, okay? So before we tap, let's actually close our eyes because I want you to ground into your body. So close your eyes just for a moment and just feel what's coming up, really. How are you feeling right now? Become aware of your emotions. And when you think about codependency, the need to control other people's feelings, not having boundaries, how does that make you feel? On a scale of 1 to 10, how codependent do you think you are? The first number is always the right one. We're not going to overthink this. On a scale of 1 to 10, 0 being I'm not codependent at all, and 10 being I don't trust to be with myself and I need other people to survive. And I'm very codependent. Okay? When you got that number, we're just going to start on the eyebrow point. Again, you can use left hand, right hand, both hands. It doesn't matter. You'll see me switch between left and right because some points I prefer left, some points I prefer right, and it's completely okay. All right, so eyebrow point. Sometimes I put other people's needs before mine. It's hard for me to set boundaries. All this codependency, I recognize these patterns, and I'm not judging them. Even though I feel responsible for other people's happiness, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Underneath all this codependency, is my fear of rejection and abandonment. I just don't want to get hurt. I try to do everything to just make people stay in my life. But today I release the need to control other people's feelings. They can do whatever they want, because I'm going to be okay regardless. I'm learning to understand my own needs. I don't have to feel guilty to put myself first. I'm not being selfish. It's safe for me to have my own desires and boundaries. I forgive myself for all of these codependent behaviors. I forgive myself for all past behaviors. My worth is not tied to how much I do for other people. My value does not come from being needed. I'm enough just as I am. I don't have to fix or save anyone else to be deemed worthy. Freeing myself from all of these codependent patterns and behaviors. I am free to embrace my true self. Okay. Oh, deep breath in here. Actually, squeeze your wrist. Just take your thumb and just squeeze your wrist. And while you're squeezing your wrist, close your eyes for a moment. And I want you to find that peace in your body. So you can say the word peace. And I want you to activate that feeling of peace in your body. What does peace feel like? I want you to train your body to feel peace. Make sure you keep pressing your wrist, squeeze your wrist. All right, deep breath in. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. And I want you to revisit that number. Don't worry if your number increased, because sometimes tapping brings up these emotions to the surface and it can feel like you feel worse, but what's happening is you're just feeling those feelings, okay? So if your number did not change or if your number increased, then definitely go through the tapping rounds again to make sure that you can get into a neutral place, ideally a 0, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to dive deeper, you can join my courses. One of my course, Magnetic Love Goddess, is all about releasing unhealthy relationship patterns. That's a new course. It's on pre-sale right now, linked below. And comment below, how did this tapping make you feel? I would love to hear from you. If you have any requests, let me know as well. I love doing them. Helps me to get content out as well. So thank you so much. Have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.